Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coco, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make this rosemary hair growth oil. This oil is great for hair growth, anti-inflammatory properties, and also helps with dry and itchy scalp. So if you want to see how I made this, then keep on watching. I'm using fresh rosemary and dried rosemary. It is best to use dried rosemary when storing the oil for long periods of time because it will last longer. And I'm also going to be using olive oil and grapeseed oil because these are known for keeping my hair moisturized, but also feel free to use any oil of your choice. I used a fourth a cup of olive oil and a fourth a cup of grapeseed oil. This portion was just enough to fill up my bottle. Any oil that you use, or if you want to make more oil, then just make sure you use the same amount of oil for all of the oils that you are using. Next, I am removing the rosemary leaves from the stem and I'm adding them to the oil. I decided to use a double boiler method so that I won't cook out all of the nutrients from the rosemary and the oils. I let this boil for about 10 minutes, and after the 10 minutes was up, I let it come down to a simmer and set it aside to cool. I added some peppermint oil as well to give it that cool sensation when you apply it to your scalp, and then I also added in a couple of drops of tea tree oil. As you can see here, I tried to drain the oil from the rosemary leaves, but it didn't work, so I ended up just scooping out the rosemary leaves, and that worked out perfectly fine. Now I'm ready to pour the oil into my applicator, but before I do that, I'm going to add in some dried rosemary because as I leave this oil to sit, the rosemary will continue to infuse in the oil, and also I like the aesthetic look that it gives the oil. Lastly, I'm going to show you guys how I use the oil. Right now I have it in box sprays, so I'm applying the oil to my scalp, roots, and basically I'm just applying it all over my hair. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. I've never had an oil that makes my hair feel like this, so you guys definitely should try this out and let me know your thoughts down below. But that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.